Thanks for connecting. Let's talk 2 keywords here. Hey, so for those of you who don't know me, my name's Eli Layfield. I'm here to talk to you today about 2 keywords. The first one being starting your day with some contentment, and the second one being ending your day with fulfillment. So for me, over the past couple of years, I've been developing a lifestyle that's brought me to have multiple cars in my background that give me contentment in the morning by working on them, and at the end of the day, I feel really fulfilled when I go driving. Now, pursuing this lifestyle, I've noticed I've wanted multiple streams of luxury items, as well as multiple streams of, say, businesses and income.
Bit of sparkle paint. She's a bit sparkly. There you go. Only bit of rust I found in the entire car is right there. A little bit there. Just a little smidge. Right about there. So I'll finish this side. However, coupe. Anyways,
this thing's been paint stripped down to bare metal, and I'll be working on it later this week. Basically, I just don't know which color to go, whether I should go original or whatnot, or whatever usually customers want. Let me know if you want to get in on this. It's down to metal paint job. Just have to keep stripping it. Otherwise, let me see. What else can I tell you? Glass is out, so I'll be going back in. Yo, playa, what is up? R32 is looking pretty fresh. Got people over here sanding it down to bare metal. A little bit of a stud pull here. A little bit of rust I'm finding on the lower rear quarter down here. Other than that, the body filler on this side was crunched in like a motherfucker. Other than that, this side still needs sanding and whatnot, but she's come together. Got that rocker dent pulled out, got it all stripped. Buddy who's helping me seems to want to pull the motor and paint the engine bay and everything. So yeah, it looks like I'm going balls deep on this one.